Hey, we're here at the Twitter Chirp Conference getting around to all the cool developers. And here we have Jason Schellen, who I've known for a long time. Jason, what do you do?
I'm the CEO and co-founder of something called Brizzly, which is a simple, easy way to use Twitter and Facebook. And we're here at the conference just trying to find out about all the new features and cool stuff that they're rolling out.
You guys have a tough job because there's so many clients out there, and now you're competing against Twitter because Twitter's doing its own clients like on Android and BlackBerry and iPhone. Sure. And soon, and they have a web client that they keep improving. So you're really competing with Twitter itself, right?
I guess we could be considered competitors in some world, but I mean honestly, we built Brizzly out of love for Twitter. We really liked what Twitter had going on, and felt like it would be better with photo upload. It would be better with being able to see photo and media in line, and expanding short links and handling direct messages differently. And so we started there, and it became this wonderful web client. And they've definitely changed even over the past 9 months of operating Brizzly. We had a groups feature. They announced lists. We switched immediately to using lists. So I think, and we recently released an iPhone client. So certainly, if you look iPhone to iPhone, but with our app, we actually have a special feature that's unique to Brizzly, which is we allow our users to see the trending topics that are going on, and then they can get in there and edit why those things are trending. And then we created a site at brizzly.com/guide, which is kind of like a real-time Wikipedia of like what's going on in the Twitter universe right now. And we baked that into our iPhone client. So that's something that Twitter doesn't have, and it's not something that other people are doing right now. So it's fairly unique.
So if you see Justin Bieber, Bieber, I don't even know who he is. What the heck? Who is this kid? You can click there and see who this kid is.
Right. So if you're using Brizzly, you would see your main timeline, but over on the side, things that are trending, like right now, Iceland is one of the words that's trending, and you can see that a volcano erupted, and it's grounded UK air traffic and things like that right there. And it's the first thing in the morning on my iPhone app that I hit the trends section of our Brizzly app, and I have what's going on in the world explained for me. And that's adjacent to Twitter. That's kind of using the existing real-time stream that's happening and building value on top of that. So we feel like that's the fertile ground going forward.
Very cool. What are you seeing here at the conference that's exciting you, that you think you'll be building into Brizzly in the future?
Sure. So, I mean, obviously the annotations feature is interesting. There are a million different things that can happen there, but they also announced some interesting new data that they're going to release, which is I think it's the user stream stuff. So anytime someone follows you, we can make an API call and see who's now following you. I think there's also retweets and favorites, and that's fantastic. It'd be wonderful to get notifications when people favorite a tweet of yours. So there are things that we're thinking about. I'm not sure if we're going to implement them or not, but they look interesting at least.
Very cool. One feature request for Brizzly: I want to keep it up on a screen all day long, and I want it to flow. Yep. Because I'm watching 18,000 people, and I just want to stare over at the screen and just pick, once in a while, see what's on the screen. And right now, it does flow a little bit, right? But
so there's a little bit of an algorithm to that. We're trying to be clever about when that gets enabled and not. If you have been interacting or clicked on a video or anything like that, then we don't want to create a jarring experience for you, so we stop that flowing. But if you just bring Brizzly up and kind of let it go, don't click around on anything, then it will actually just continue to flow throughout the day. And I know we have other fans of Brizzly who that's exactly what they do. They just let that thing go. And we just created an iPad UI for it as well that does a similar thing where on the iPad you have like a nice gesture-based thing that keeps things flowing.
Cool. I'm going to check that out. Anything else that's going on in your world and that you're seeing happen in the Twitter sphere?
Sure. So I mean, we really first focused on building a great consumption interface for your social stream, whether it's Twitter or Facebook, and we're continuing to think about new sources that we'll put in there. And then we're really excited about all this insight stuff. Like, you know, our users are helping us describe the world around them, and we're going to keep, you know, pushing there and make sure we do things there. But we've also gotten to this new technology area of conversations. So we think that there is a really interesting thing going on that is maybe not being addressed by Twitter that we can help out with. So we recently built some technology that we call picnic technology, and we're not exactly ready to talk about it yet, but it's something that you'll see in the next few weeks.
Very cool. I'm really interested in that because I have that problem. I can't talk with people who tweet very well.
Right. So that's something that we're hoping to address.
Very cool. I'm looking forward to seeing that.
You got
so
it.
thanks.
You bet.